Dahil malamig. Walang gawa. Ito. Maglalakad. Ayan o, kasama ko. Pumili ng tea. Where you want to sit? Here or there? You want to sit there?
Yeah, come na. You have no customer na.
Yes. Ayan o. Upo daw kami dun sa bangko, guys. Sinasamahan ko lang siya kasi bawal ako uminom ng tea. Bawal din ako kumain ng may mga mantika. So ito wala na akong makakain, guys. Ayan. Ito yung ano namin. Dito kami nagtatrabaho. Wala kang makitang market, nag-iisa lang. Kaya napakamahal ng lahat ng bibilin dito, guys. Kawawa kami. Babaon na lang kami. Ilang taon kaya kami kakain ng malamig? Yung walang init-init. Charot. Doon lang kami nakakaupo, guys, kasi bawal kami sa loob. Bawal kumain.
Edit papala.
What is that? Ayan, guys, so.
Yummy.
Yummy siya, guys. So, yes.
Yeah.
She's eating pakora, guys.
Yeah, very mazedar pakora.
Yummy siya, guys. She's eating pakora, guys. Yummy daw. Wow.
Also, my country na. Safe food na pwede na. Everybody pakora. Seriously.
Chai?
Try and
Chai pakora daw. Oh, yummy, guys. Ayan, oh. Guys, ganyan lang kami. Kahirap dito, guys. Wala kang makikita na tao na ano, yung anong tawag dito na area. Parang hindi ko naman masabing desert kasi city. Huh?
Only students allowed to sit.
Only student? Come.
okay.
Ito, guys. Bawal pa talaga kami dito kahit saan ngayon magpunta, guys. Binabawalan kami umupo. Ayan o. Sinita na naman kami ng security. Ayun, alis na naman kami. Sana kami kaya uupo pagka kumakain, guys. Dito na lang kaya sa sa tabi ng kalsada. Ay, naku talaga ang area na to, guys. Ewan ko lang. Malapit ko na iiwan. Parang na tawag nito. Konting taste na lang, guys. Ilang buwan na lang. Iiwan ko na. At ewan ko na lang kung babalik ko. Siguro 2 buwan na lang. Mababaliw ka dito, guys. Bawal kumain sa loob ng shop. Bawal din kumain sa labas. Wow, sana kami kakain. Ay, nako, guys. Hello! Hi, Lily! How are you? Yes. He's the one we do keratin. We miss you, Lily. Come to the salon.
She's cute, huh?
Yeah, that's the Lily. That's the mother. That's the daughter of Madam's sister. Ay, tummy. Guys, they also done that. Huh? Oh my God. He wants food. He's
shouting, why
asking.
not?
Yeah, he's shouting. Why we don't buy him food? Nah. We also don't have food too. Oh my God, come see. He's following us. Yeah, try to give. Maybe he will eat also. Ya Allah.
Wait.
Ming Ming.
I give you no problem.
Ming Ming. Fati. Oh my goodness.
Why you
He,
not pakoda?
I know he's not eating. He just disturb us. Let's go. Leave him. Ay, naku. Pagod. Pagod na kami, guys. Oh, dito na, guys, ha. Papasok na naman kami.